we had about 151 authors. Here we can see the names. Maybe you're gonna recognize your names there. About 72 institutions from not only Latin America, but also from Europe and even Asia. That's very cool. And this year, we have a new record in submissions. So we got about 37 submissions in English, 9 in Spanish. From them, we accepted only 20 for posters and 10 for orals. And different topics we see here. We had also the help of a lot of reviewers, also from different kind of institutions. Very thanks to all these people. If someone is here, thank you. And well, now it's time for the exciting part. We're gonna announce, first I'm gonna say what is the award. So you're gonna have a pass, a free pass with everything covered, all the expenses to the next Kipo event, which is gonna be the next year in March, apparently. In I don't know where. No one knows. It's a secret. But it's gonna be in South America, apparently. So yeah, has to be, yeah. No, that could be in Central America, also Latin America. So, well, let me identify. Okay, well, here we have the first, the best student paper award for detecting current answers to open questions and its impact on language models.
So Guido, do you have some suggestions on how not to suck and win awards like you?
I mean, first you have to learn to cook meat. That seems to be the first part. But not. I have to thank my Luciana, my advisor. She was a very big help in this, and just be around good people.
Okay, so we have a second award, actually. Yeah, exciting. So here it is. Best Paper Award for Identification of Climate Change and Sustainability Text using PLMs, in Spanish PLMs. So, Gerardo Huerta, are you here?
Questions that hopefully are not food related.
Well, maybe if you are thinking to participate in anyone or anything, well, maybe it's not the first time, the second, but the third one, wow, amazing. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. Well, we're about to finish. Let's do a recap. Today, we had a nice schedule. A lot of keynotes, oral presentations, posters. We had a keynote on assessment of LLMs, and then during the oral presentations, we learned about studies about Latin American languages, research on social media, then a keynote on clinical NLP, some work on question answering, also in Spanish language resources. So we have learned a lot. I hope you have actually enjoyed all the topics. And we had good moments, especially eating. Thank you to Miguel for finding that nice place. Okay, but this was not possible without all the organizer. As a co-general chair, I want to say thank you to all of my team. Laura is not here, and well, Diana there. There is here Javier, also Pablo, Jesus. Errol is not here, sorry, visa problem. Jaime, Miguel, and Danae. Thank you, all of you. It was very amazing to work with you. So what is the future of LatinX in NLP? So as Diana mentioned at the beginning of this day, this is the second time that we have this LatinX in NLP workshops. So we know that in the past we have in 2022, and they have like 10 papers accepted there. And now we are here in Mexico. We got 30 accepted papers. So we see that we are growing a little bit the community. So in the future, I will expect that we have more events like this in other venues. These kind of venues like ACL, EMLP, LREC, and other similar ones. And I will encourage you to join us to grow the community. And you can do it in any kind of ways. So you can be a participant, organizer, a mentor, etc. So you can check in the website what you can do actually. And also not all in this, only in these events, but also if you work in computer vision or machine learning, you can also try to join those events. So yeah, that's it. See you next time or at the reception, right?